Should you put extra money into EPF? I think it depends on your personal lifestyle. You have some time, you have historically been a good investor yourself, then probably not. So if you know how to invest your money and you think you can get higher than 5% and you have probably generally a higher tolerance to risk, then do not contribute additional. Now, however, if you're opposite of that, say you're a busy lifestyle, you don't think you're a good investor, you don't have any interest in investing, then yes, I think EPF is a very good choice. Why? Because typically if you put in EPF, what happens is a typical fund that you invest in, you're going to see it move up and down because markets move up and down. But because EPF only makes an announcement of a dividend once a year, you don't really actually get to see the actual portfolio of EPF going up, going down. What it does is just announces a dividend and it's either higher or lower from the previous year. And based on EPF's track record so far, they have been, I would say, pretty good in at least in the last 10 years on average. They are 5% per annum and above. So it does bring quite a long way if you put the money in and you let it compound over time, because we have to understand that EPF manages now over 1 trillion ringgit today. 10 years from now, it's likely only going to grow. So the thing is, when amounts get larger and larger, it gets a little bit more difficult to get higher and higher returns per annum, because you got to find much bigger investment projects, or you actually have to diversify out to more fund managers to manage. So that may get a little bit tougher, right, with size. So if you have a smaller amount, it's probably easier to make that 5% and above.